Welcome to my Alice in Wonderland Garden Tea Party, hosted by Glamour Ellen. Today, I would like to take you through my garden tea party. It is an English garden tea party set for two. My daughter and I, we both love playing tea parties together. When she was smaller, we used to do this all the time. I would set the table with muffins and cookies and English biscuits, sometimes scones, and tea. We absolutely love having our teas. My table is adorned with vintage plates and milk glasses, and I just love the way that it turned out. I love the way that I mixed all the metals together, the gold and the coppers. It's absolutely fantastic. Let me know down below if you love a tea party. And if you do love a tea party, what is your favorite tea to drink? My favorite tea is mint. I love a good mint tea. I love the way this centerpiece adorns my table. All the greenery, it just reminds me of the spring season. I love how the gold pops against the black and white tablecloth that I threw diagonally across my table. And I just love these vintage dishes that I used on my table. Let me know what you think about my Alice in Wonderland vintage tea party. I'm going to let you enjoy the video and I will pop back in. Please be sure to check the description box for Glamour Ellen's channel and her tea party. I would love for you guys to head on over to her channel and check her out. Make sure that you subscribe. And also the other co-host, their channels will be linked in my description box as well. And the playlist. Make sure you check out everyone's tea party, as I am so sure that you are going to enjoy each of our tea parties and just wish that you were there yourselves. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you are visiting from any of the other ladies' channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel, I create a lot of lifestyle content, home making videos, DIYs, home decor, so on and so forth. I would love for you to join my family here and subscribe. Make sure you leave your name, where you are watching from, and what is your favorite thing about my tea party. Also, I want you to let me know if this is something that you will create, and if as a little girl you yourself enjoyed doing tea parties with your mom, your sister, a friend, or anyone that is close to you. I also want to make mention of my Spring Showers, April Flowers collab coming up with Love My Babies Forever, Kiki DIYs, Nita May, and our host, Deborah Kabasa. It will be coming up on April 30th, so stay tuned for more details to come. I hope that you guys have enjoyed my English vintage Alice in Wonderland tea party. Make sure to check the description box for the playlist and for all the creators channel, as well as Glamour Ellen's channel. I want to thank you all for joining me today, and I want to thank you all for watching.